Good morning, dear students. So, in the second term, let us study chapter number 11, Statistics. Let's recall. The number of pages of a book Ninad read for 5 consecutive days were 60, 50, 54, 46, 50. Find the average number of pages he read every day. You have heard the term average. Now the formula to calculate average is sum of all the scores upon total number of scores. So you can take your pencil and just fill in the blanks for the next line. So average is equal to 60 plus 50 plus 54 plus 46 plus 50 upon 5. Total number of scores are 5. So this is equal to 260 upon 5, that is equal to 52. So the average number of pages read daily is 52. The average is also known as arithmetic mean or mean. Now you people must be finding out the average of the scores in your exam, right? For example, the total number of marks you obtain in unit test 1 divided by total number of subjects, you will get the average marks of yours. Similarly, we teachers also find the average attendance of the child per month. Okay. So, same way, the total number of working days. Okay. Maybe it is 25, 30, 31 and your total attendance. So that divided by total number of days will give us the average attendance of the child. So average is also called as mean or arithmetic mean. Now let's learn. The number of pages read every day in the above example is numerical data. The conclusion that Ninad read about 50 pages every day is drawn from the numerical data. In this way, collecting information regarding certain problem or situation, analyzing this information, and after interpretation, drawing conclusions about it is a separate branch of knowledge. This branch is called as statistics. So, you can put a bracket for this definition. Now, children, you people must be very much interested in watching cricket or any other matches. So in that, the statistician, the person who does all this calculation is called as a statistician, is very important. He gives you the statistical data or the average or the mean. Haven't you observed about it? Okay, so it's a very interesting branch of mathematics. Now let us study arithmetic mean. We have seen that the average of 60, 50, 54, 46 and 50 is 52. The average is also called as arithmetic mean or simply mean in statistical language. To find the mean of numerical data, we add on the scores in the data and divide the sum by the total number of scores. So let's study some aspects of the method. See the following example. Example. The marks obtained by 37 students of standard 8 in a test of 10 marks are given below. Find the mean of the data. So here these numbers are given. You can go through them. Let's go to the next page. Now solution. We go on adding the scores one after the other. It will take a lot of time. We know that 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 7 into 5, that is equal to 35. This simplifies the operation of addition. So when a number is to be added to itself, so let us use the method and add the numbers by classifying them. Now we will prepare a tabular form, a table. So here the first column, marks, will call as x1 or xi and the scores. So the scores given there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So the second column is called as the tally marks. In tally marks, we find out how many times does the score 2 occur? So the score 2 occurs only once. So only one line is drawn, one vertical line. The score 3 occurs only once. So only one line is drawn. Now the score 4, how many times it is occurring? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if a score occurs 5 times, we will draw 4 vertical lines and one slanting line crossing these 4 lines. Got it? So it becomes a group of 5. Next, the score 5 is occurring only twice, so 2 vertical lines. 6 is occurring 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 line which is crossing them. 7 score is occurring 5 times plus 1, 6 times. 8 score is occurring 5 times. 9 score is occurring 5 plus 6, 7, 8 times. Okay, so when a group of 5 plus again another group you will form 1, 2, 3. Okay, 10 is occurring 4 times. Now the third column, number of students, frequency, Fi. So number of students who score 2 is 1. So 3 is 1. Frequency means how many times a thing occurs. So your score 4 is occurring 5 times. So this tally marks number you will write here. So 5 times. 5 score is occurring twice. 6 score 5 times. 7 score is occurring 6 times. 8 score is occurring 5 times. 9 score is occurring 8 times. 10 score is occurring 4 times. Now down it is written n. N is equal to, that means you will total up all these frequencies. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 equal to 37. Okay, the third column 37. Okay, so here the 37 students are there in all. Now the last column Fi into Xi means you will multiply Fi, that is the frequency, and the score. So 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 3 is 3, 5 into 4 is equal to 20, 2 into 5 is 10, 5 into 6 is equal to 30, 6 into 7 42, 5 into 8 is 40, 8 into 9 is 72, 4 into 10 is 40. Now last column you can see down there, that sign, no, like E it is summation. What is it called as? Summation. Summation means total, sum of Fi into Xi. There is no sign between Fi and Xi, it's multiplication. So the total it comes to 259. So mean is equal to summation Fi into Xi upon n. The formula you can see, that is 259 upon 37, you get 7. So I hope you have followed how to prepare this frequency table. It's very easy and interesting. So prepare as above a table and follow the steps to calculate the mean of the data. Write the scores in the first column in the ascending order. So x1 is less than x2 is equal to like x3. I have explained to you all this. Write the tally marks in the next column. Count the tally marks of the scores and write the frequency of the score denoted as Fi. Write the sum of all the frequencies below the frequency column. The total frequencies is denoted by n. In the last column, write the products Fi into Xi. The sum of Fi into Xi is denoted as sigma Fi into Xi. See the symbol sigma indicates sum. So arithmetic mean is denoted by x bar. Therefore mean is equal to x bar equal to summation Fi into Xi upon n. So I hope you have followed that. Now let's go to the next page. The second example. The production of soya bean per acre in quintal. Quintal means 1 quintal is 100 kg. Obtained by 30 farmers in Rajapur is given below. So these scores are given here. You can read it. From the given data, prepare a frequency table and find the average production per acre of soya bean. So we'll prepare the frequency table like the first one on the previous page. So production per acre frequency x1. So 4, 5, next is 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7.5, 8 and 9. You have to write it in the ascending order. Then tally marks is the second column. So 4 score occurs thrice, 5 score occurs 5 times, 5.5 occurs 4 times, 6 occurs 3 times, 6.5 occurs twice, 7.5 4 times, 8 score occurs 5 times, 9 score occurs 3 times. Now the third column, number of farmers, Fi, so the frequency, tally marks. So 4 3 times, 5 5 times, 5.5 4 times, 6 3 times, 6.5 2 times, 7.5 4 times, 8 6 times and 9 3 times. So n is equal to 30. Okay, so n is equal to given 30. It is given on the top as 30 farmers. So if you don't get 30 here, there is something wrong with you. So that 30 should tally. Now let's go to the last column. Fi into xi. So 3 4s are 12, 5 5s are 25, 4 into 5.5 is 22, 6 into 3 is 18, 6.5 into 2 is 13, 7.5 into 4 is 30, 8 into 6 is 48, 9 into 3 is 27. So summation Fi into xi is equal to 195. So mean, that is x bar, is equal to summation Fi into xi upon n, that is equal to 195 upon 30, that is equal to 6.5. Hence the average production of soya bean per acre is 6.5 quintal. Okay, I hope you have followed this. Now let us go to practice set 11.1. So you can take your pencil in your hand and you can fill in the blanks here. As I tell you, the following table shows the number of saplings planted by 30 students. Fill in the boxes and find the average number of saplings planted by each student. So number of saplings, that is xi, scores 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of students, Fi, 4, 6, 12, 8, down n is equal to 30. Okay, n is equal to 30, write 30 in that blank. The last column, Fi into xi. So 4 1s are 4, 6 2s are 12 is the second blank. Third one is 12 3s are 36 and fourth one is 8 4s are 32. So summation Fi into xi is equal to, we add up all this, you get 80 there. 80 there. So mean, that is x bar, is equal to, write the formula on the top, summation Fi into xi upon n. So that is equal to 80 upon 30, that is equal to 2.6. Therefore, the average number of trees planted is 2.6. Now, let us go to the second problem on the next page. Now here, again, let's fill in the blanks. The following table shows the electricity in units used by 25 families of Eklara village in a month of May. Complete the following table and answer the following questions. Electricity used units xi, first column, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. Second column, number of families, frequency Fi, 7, 2, 8, 5, 3. So n is equal to 25. So write the 25. Last column, Fi into xi. So 30 into 7 is 210. Second one, 45 into 2 is 90. I hope you're writing. Third, 60 into 8 is 480. Next, 75 into 5 is 375. And last one, 90 into 3 is 270. So summation Fi into xi, when you add up all this, you get 1425. Okay, I hope you are all with me. Now, let us answer these questions. The first question, how many families use 45 units of electricity? So, here we can see 2. Only 2 families are using. Second question, state the score, the frequency of which is 5. So, the score is 75. Now, find n, that is the total number, and summation fi xi. So, n as we have found out is 25 and sigma fi si into xi, is 1425. Okay. Last question. Find the mean of the electricity used by each family in the month of May. So, how will you find it out? 1425 divided by 25. So, you will get it as 57. Okay. So, I hope you have followed this problem. Okay. Now, this third problem. The third problem, the number of members in the 40 families in Bihar is given as follows. So, you have to prepare a frequency table and find the mean of the members of the family. So, what you will do is, you will prepare a tabular form like this for homework and complete it. Okay. So, I hope you have followed this. Now, this last fourth problem, fourth one is deleted, cancelled. The fourth problem is fully cancelled. So, you need not do it. Okay. So, we'll stop here for today. Thank you, children.